you gotta fight. You gotta fight. You can't just let people do what they like. They will hurt you out of sight. You have to take back this part of your life. Come on now, come on. You know what's perfectly right for yourself. You fighting demons that nobody knows. And you must take it as far as it goes. You better learn from your mistakes and do better. All of the gossip you can't measure. You don't want the big head to get severed. You know it, I see it. Don't tell me I'm leaving. I'm learning to put it aside. My pride, I was hoping you were open for forgiveness. I just tried to fill a void where love was missing. I was hoping you were open for forgiveness. I just tried to fill a void where love was missing. Tell me who I gotta be before I rest in peace. I'm producing all solutions, so he's asking me, have you ever been in war and lost a victory? And it's time for us to understand, you can't have the blessings of another man. Cause it's for you, it's for you. Don't let nobody take that away, so you gotta fight. You gotta fight.